Hi, this is Michelle from Undemandly, and today we're taking a look at discounts for goPuff. goPuff is an app that is like getting anything delivered from your local convenience store like 7-Eleven, CVS, Walgreens, etc. One thing I really like about it is their new user offer, which is $25 off your first order. Today, we're going to download the app, set it up, and show you how it works. If you're enjoying this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up and, of course, subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's get started. First, click the link in the video description below to get started. Now, enter your phone number, enter the verification code, then tap Next. Now enter your personal information and tap Next. Enter your address and tap Confirm Address. As a side note, the $25 referral credit will show up automatically at the checkout screen. Now you can add products to your shopping bag and check out. Okay, that wraps up. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for stopping by and we'll see you next time.